you say yo hablo español, yo quiero aprender, yo tengo un perro? If so, congratulations, you speak perfect Tarzan Spanish. In this video, you'll learn how to sound fluent and natural. And no, I'm not joking. Skipping this word is one of the biggest secrets to sounding like a real Spaniard. Hola, I'm the Spanish Knight, your Spanish coach. And today, I'll show you why Spanish speakers almost never say yo before verbs, and how you can instantly sound more native by doing the same. But first, let me tell you about a student of mine, Evelyn, who used to sound like Tarzan trap in a Spanish grammar class. Evelyn from Canada loved practicing Spanish every day, but every sentence started like this. Yo hablo, yo estudio, yo quiero, yo necesito. Her grammar was perfect, but she sounded stiff, like a robot trying to learn dance moves. One day, she was chatting with her Spanish friend Lucia, who said, Tia, you don't have to say yo every time. We already know it's you. The verb tells us. That's when Evelyn realized she was using Spanish like English, where you must say I. But in Spanish, the verb already does the job. Yo hablar español. Yo querer aprender. Yo sonar raro. No, Tarzan. Hablo español. Quiero aprender. Suena raro. Here's the secret. Spanish verbs already include the subject. When you say hablo, it already means I speak. When you say quiero, it means I want. You don't need yo, unless you are emphasizing or contrasting. For example, yo hablo inglés, pero tú hablas español. Contrast, emphasis. Otherwise, just say hablo inglés. It's cleaner, smoother, and more natural. In Spain, if you start every sentence with yo, it sounds like you are giving a TED Talk about yourself. Let's play a quick game. I'll give you two versions of a sentence, and you tell me which one sounds more natural in Spanish. Okay? Número 1. ¿Yo tengo hambre or tengo hambre? The answer is tengo hambre. Spaniards never say yo tengo, unless they are comparing. Yo tengo hambre, pero tú no. Número 2. ¿Yo vivo en Madrid or vivo en Madrid? Vivo en Madrid. Saying yo vivo sounds like Tarzan with a map. Número 3. Tricky one. ¿Yo estudio español todos los días or estudio español todos los días? What do you think? The second one wins. It's faster, smoother, and muy español. Tell me in the comments, do you usually say yo before verbs? Or did your teacher make you repeat it 100 times? Be honest. I want to know how many Tarzans we have in the community. And speaking of repeating things unnecessarily, not subscribing to this channel is like putting yo in every sentence. Totally unnecessary. It's like going to Spain and ordering a sangria in winter. Sure, you can do it, but everyone will look at you funny. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell, because this channel will teach you sound muy natural in Spanish. Remember, Spanish verbs carry all the information you need. Hablo, quiero, tengo, estudio. You only use yo when you want to emphasize. So next time, drop the yo and you'll sound more fluent instantly. It's a small change, but it makes a huge difference. Evelyn practiced this for a few weeks, and one day her Spanish friend told her, Ahora suenas mucho más natural, como una de aquí. And that's when she realized, less yo, more flow. Now you speak like a Spaniard, but what about sounding like one? In this video, I reveal 3 pronunciation secrets that make your Spanish instantly more native. If you enjoyed this lesson, download my free pronunciation guide below. It'll help you sound more natural, confident, and authentic every time you speak Spanish. And if you want to learn Spanish rapido with me, you can book a lesson. The link is in the description. I'm the Spanish Knight, helping you master Spanish with confidence and humor. Nos vemos pronto. Chao.